Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering both monitors and plugging them into outlets. Once done, turn on your computer so ports are active. You need to identify exactly which connectors you have: HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, VGA, and whether an adapter is required. Make sure your graphics output supports 2 screens. Many laptops use a dock or combined USB-C path. If you have adapters, attach them now. This ensures the next steps go smoothly and avoids swapping cables later. Once cables are attached to separate outputs, route them tidily and plug into the corresponding monitor inputs. On Windows or Mac OS, open Display Settings and choose Extend versus Duplicate. Extend gives you extra desktop space. Set resolutions and orientation so text is clear and scaled correctly, and then drag the virtual monitor icons to match your physical layout. Make sure refresh rates match where possible to reduce tearing. These steps finalize how the 2 screens. You finish by selecting your primary display and confirming taskbar or dock placement. Save these settings and test by dragging windows between screens. Play a video or open a document on each monitor to verify color, resolution, and performance. If one monitor remains blank, reseat the cable, switch ports, or replace the adapter. Often a loose connector is the issue. If problems persist, reboot and check GPU drivers. A driver update can resolve detection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.